I'm going to show you how to set up a passive stream of income that will pay you for weeks, months, and years to come for just following the step-by-step instructions that I'll be setting out for you in this video. All you have to do is pay close attention to every money-making minute, as well as the bonus tips and recommendations that I'll be dropping along the way. If you like the sound of today's video, smash that like button and let's get right into it with a juicy recommendation. Just click the first link in the description box down below and you can get access to a done-for-you software that helps you go from $0 to $500 a day as a complete beginner. But please keep in mind that this is only available for the first 25 people who click the first link in the description and sign up. So if it's still available, you can get access to a done-for-you system and see the best way to make money online. Anyway, let's get back to the tutorial. So the strategy I'll be showing you today revolves around this site here called cafepress.com. On this website, you can buy a bunch of different items. As you can see, you have various t-shirts, hoodies, bags, hats, car accessories, cases and covers, a bunch of baby products, as well as home and decor stuff like pillows, rugs, and so on. Now, we won't be paying this site for anything, so don't worry. You won't have to invest a dime for this strategy to actually work. And that, of course, makes you think, well, what are we doing here? So to answer your question, we will be using the site to make money. And we'll be doing that by designing some of these products, because this website allows you to design, for example, a t-shirt by just using your laptop. And then the website literally does the rest. You won't have to worry about stuff like shipping, inventory, customer service, and all that boring, difficult jazz. I'm going to show you a free tool later on that you'll want to use that will help you tremendously and allow you to design products with literally no design skills. Your work will essentially boil down to uploading images. In any case, you can check this site out for yourself, but I won't go over it too much in this video so that we can keep it short and sweet. Now, let me show you exactly what you need to do when you come on here. Scroll down to the very bottom of the page and then click on Start Selling right here. That will now take you straight over to this page, and here you have more info on how this all works. And it's basically what I was talking about before. You upload a design of a product, whether it's clothing or mugs or whatever. They do all the work for you, from promoting your product to selling and finally shipping it. And you get paid. As simple as that. Now, something that's really important about this site is the traffic it gets. And this is where a website called similarweb.com comes in. Using this, you can now see how many people visit a particular website every single month. And check this out. Nearly 2.5 million people have visited Cafe Press in the last month. This is very important information that I have to show you, simply because the more people that visit the site, the more money you can make. And with this site, you definitely can make a decent amount of money considering the fact that it gets a lot of traffic. Anyways, back on Cafe Press, what you want to do on this page in order to start selling your products is click on Add Designs here. That will now bring you to this page here, where you'll need to click on Create an Account, which, as you can see above, is free to do and simple as well. Just enter your email address, password, and then click on Create an Account. From there, you need to come over to your Gmail account, find and open a message from Cafe Press that looks like this, and then click on this link to activate your account. With that said, now I'm going to log into my account so I can show you what you'll come across when you do that as well. Alright, so I've just logged into my account. In order to start designing your products, all you gotta do is simply hover your mouse over Create here and just pick a product you want to design. And the best part about this site is you have so many different products. So if you design a t-shirt, a bag, and a mug, that means you'll be able to make way more money because you will have more potential customers out there. For the sake of this video, I'll be going with just a t-shirt, but keep in mind that there are tons of other options for you to choose from. Now, when you pick your product type, you'll be brought over to this page to pick the actual product you want to design. And you'll also see how much money the product costs. I myself have a bunch of these t-shirts to choose from, as well as some hoodies and long sleeve shirts. I'll just pick this shirt right here to use as an example. And check this out, guys. When you pick your product, you'll have loads of different customization options. You can choose the color, the size, the quantity, and when you click on Add Image, this will allow you to upload any image you want to put in your brand new t-shirt. And as some of you might have guessed, this is why I said you will be literally just uploading images. And stick with me guys, because the site will show you where you can get those images. And I'll reveal that in just a bit. I'll also give you some ideas and tips on which types of images you will want to use. Anyhow, the last thing that you can add on here is text. As you saw, Cafe Press has many different customization options, but it's really user-friendly as well. All in all, a great site. With all that said, let me now show you the site from where you can download the images to then add to your shirt. The site we're going to use is called pngtree.com. There are 3 reasons we're using this website and not some other one. First off, you're free to use the images you download for commercial purposes. As you can see right here, royalty-free PNG images. So you won't have any issues putting them on your shirts and then selling them to make a profit. And the second reason is because they're free to download, as you've just seen, so you don't have to invest a dime into this website. And the last reason is that this website offers you thousands and thousands of images of all sorts for you to choose from. Now, what you need to do when you first come on here is sign up. You'll do that by clicking on Register right here. From there, just enter your basic info, and that's it. So now, some of you might be wondering about what types of images to download. Well, I have some recommendations for you guys. Animal images, in my opinion, are one of the best to go for. So, dogs and cats, for example. This is simply because people love animals and there are many of them. So you should be able to get quite a bit of sales. So when you log in, you will now want to search for a photo you want. And as you can see, I've searched for cat photos to download. Just hover your mouse over it and click on PNG right here, or alternatively, open the photo up and click on Free Download right here, and that's it. Now, something I have to mention here is that with the free account, you can only download 2 photos per day, but that's more than enough because it means you'll be able to create 2 different product designs. And what you can do when you start making some money with this is to pay for this site, so it allows you to download unlimited photos every single day. But that's not necessary whatsoever. Anyways guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and download one of these and then use them for designing my new t-shirt. Alright, so I've just uploaded one of those photos I downloaded from the other site. And as you can see, this shirt looks pretty decent. You can add in some text or whatever in the end. Some of the options I'll simply leave up to you because I'm sure you'll be able to manage. From here, just rinse and repeat the process I've shown you. Pick one product to design, download a photo from PNG Tree, upload it and finish your design, and then sell it for a decent profit. And the best part is that you'll be making money in passive income simply because your designs stay on here forever. So some people could end up buying them months after you've actually created them on here. And that's it for today's method. If you've enjoyed today's video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.